Example, we want to construct a triangle. Construct a triangle. Construct a triangle PQR such that PQ is equals to 6 centimeter and angle RPQ is equals to 75 degree and side RP equals to 7 centimeter. Then we are to measure RQ. This is a construction. Construct a triangle PQR such that PQ is 6 centimeter, RPQ is 75, and RP is 7 centimeter. Measure RQ. When you want to construct, you can sketch. First of all, sketch your construction. How do you expect this construction to be? We are to construct a triangle. Say, let's say this is how the triangle will be. Maybe you have something like this. Maybe you have something. This is a triangle, right? Now, it said PQ. Let's say this is our PQ, 6 centimeter. This is rough work, not real construction. Now, we say RPQ. Where is P? This is Q. This is P. It means R will take a stand like this. RPQ, this angle must be 75 degree. Then RP will be 7 centimeter. We have to measure RQ. How do we measure RQ? How do you measure RQ? You draw a straight line first. This is our straight line. Draw it to any length. Draw a straight line to any length. Alright. Now, don't forget this is a construction. We have to construct. After drawing the straight line, open your compass. We have seen here. This is how the diagram will look. This is sketch. The one we want to draw now, which is the real question. This is how the thing will look like. So we want to get PQ, which is 6 centimeter. Open your compass to 6 centimeter. The tip on the 0 and this on 6. The tip on 0, this on 6. This is 6 centimeter. Now that you have this one at 6 centimeter, like I said, you now place it on the line that you have drawn. Place it here. Mark an arc to indicate where your number will be, and then the second one. Mark the second one. We have it like this. So it means that our P and Q will take that order, meaning that our P is here and our Q is here, which is what? 6 centimeter. Okay, that's 6 centimeter. Then we have to construct angle 75 degree. You recall that I have explained to you how we can construct angle 75 degree. This time around, we now go to construct 75 degree here at P, because the question is RPQ. Look at our sketch is RPQ. So it means at P we must have 75 degree, and this is our P. At P, our compass here, and you make You make an arc at your convenience. You make an arc. Make an arc this way. Alright. Okay, let me do it this way. Alright. Then you join this one and this one. Then this compass is closing. We have to take this one to 60-60. with the same length that you have used to open. So this is 60, and this another 60. So at this point, we have this one, open it, mark an arc. At this point, open it, mark another arc. So this point is this is 90. But you are not merely concerned with 90. You are into 75. So how do you construct 75 now? From that, our 75, okay, is 75, rather 75. Our 75 will fall within this hand. 75 will be here, not 135. So open this one to a convenient length. This is a arc, and mark another arc here. When you mark another arc there, we have a mark. So these are 75. This angle is 75 degree. This angle is 75 degree, not like that. Because this one is more than 75. So this is 75 degree. Then our Q, we have RP to be 7 centimeter. You now open your compass to 7 centimeter. Our compass through the ruler must be open to 7 centimeter because RP is 7 centimeter. So you open it to 7 centimeter, maybe something like this. Now, by the time you open this one to 7 centimeter through your ruler, you put the tip of the compass with the iron or here, and then you use the temple end to mark the place where that 7 will be. After marking it like that, we will now join. This is where we mark 7, and this will represent our R. Then the next thing is we need to join RQ. We join RQ together, just like this. We join RQ together, and this is RQ. Okay, so we have RPQ equals to 75. RPQ equals to 75, and that is the value of our angle. That's the value of our angle. That's the value of our angle. So you measure RQ. You measure RQ. What is RQ? You use your ruler to measure it. Put 0 end on top of this arm and see where this one will end. See, this is about another 7 centimeter. So RQ will be 7 centimeter. RQ will be 7 centimeter. That is how to construct the question given to us in this particular question. So that's how to construct the triangle there. So we have constructed the triangle PQR with 75 degrees. Let's try another one now. Let's try another one now. Let's try another one. We want to see this one. Okay. Let's look at past question. One past question. Now look at this one, 2011, number 9, 2011. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only. A. Construct a rhombus. PQRS of side 7 of side, PQRS of side 7 centimeter. We want to construct a rhombus of PQRS of side 7 centimeter and P angle PQR equals to 60 degree. B, locate point X, such that X lies on the locus of point equidistant from PQ and QR, and also equidistant from Q and R, from Q and R. We have to draw a rhombus of what? A rhombus of PQRS. Then what is the next thing? Of side 7 centimeter. Each of the sides will be 7 centimeter. And then angle PQR will be 60 degree. Locate point X such that X lies on the locus of point PQ, equidistant PQ and QR, and also equidistant from Q and R. Now, X is locating in that point. What we are going to do now is this. We need to construct a rhombus. We have to construct a rhombus. How do we expect our rhombus to be? If we say this is a P to Q, and maybe the arm is this way, and then our S this way. Okay, so this is how the thing will just look like. This angle, say PQR, is 60 degree. This will be 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter. Locate point X such that X lies on the locus of point equidistant from this. Now, can we see that we are to construct rhombus, and this is our guide PQ. So we need to draw PQ. We need to draw PQ. Let's draw PQ. It's a construction work. This is PQ. Then P is 7 centimeter. Like I've said, we have to open this one to 7 centimeter. You open this one to 7 centimeter. By the time you open to 7 centimeter, with your ruler, place it here. This is 7 centimeter. Place it this way, and then the other way. Put it here, and when you put it here, you mark another X. So that forms our PQ. So PQ would be 7 centimeter. Okay. Then we need to get 60 degrees. Look at where our 60 degree is. So it means we have to come to the end of Q and construct angle 60. You remember how to construct angle 60. Put your compass here. Put your compass here and draw what? Put your compass here and draw an arc. And draw an arc. And draw an arc. Okay? And draw an arc. Now, if at the end here we have this one here and we have this one here, okay? This one is 60 degrees because you have to construct 60 degrees. So once you have your 60 degrees that way, you just have to take a ruler. You take your ruler, and draw a straight line. Draw a straight line to any length. Draw a straight line to any length. Draw a straight line to any length. Now, by the time you draw a straight line to any length, don't forget this one must also be 7 centimeters because we said the side of our rhombus will be 7 centimeters each. So you open your compass again to 7 centimeters. Open your compass again to 7 centimeters. See, by the time you open it to 7 centimeters, we need to draw. From here again, you mark an arc like this, meaning that the other end, which is R, will be at that particular point. The other end is R. It will be R equals to that. So meaning that the distance of R to P is 7 centimeters. Now, when you know that that place is 7 centimeters, the next thing is to find what? S. How do you get our S? Our X takes another 7 centimeters. At this point, what we are going to do is you open your compass again to 7 centimeters. When you open to 7 centimeters, we now consider it that from here, if this is a 7 centimeters, you open it to 7 centimeters. If these are 7 centimeters, you will now take it from P and draw like this. And you will take it from this and draw it like this. The two of them are meeting. The two of them are meeting at a particular point. The two of them are meeting at a particular point. So you sketch it like this. Okay? Then join the other one to this end. This now constitutes our rhombus. This is also 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and this is the position of our S. That's the position of our S. So we can now see that we have constructed PQRS, and it looks like a rhombus. PQRS of each side 7 centimeters. Then, after the construction work, we are to go to question B. Question B says locate point X. What happened to X? Such that X lies on the locus of point equidistant from PQ and QR. Now, PQ and QR. When you want to construct an equidistance, whenever you want to construct an equidistance of PQ and QR, when you look at PQ and QR, something common to the two of them. What is that? Q. Q common to the two of them. This is Q. It means we want to construct an equidistance from PQ and QR. How do you do that? If you are to construct an equidistance, we talk of here, we talk of this point at point Q, where the two of them meet, because the two of them meet at Q. At point Q, you are to construct angle this. Then at this, you have to construct this and this. You have to construct like this. Okay. So after the construction there, we'll move ahead to join them like this with our dotted line. You can now use a dotted line to join it. Use it to join this. So this is our equidistance. This line is locus. It's locus equidistance from PQ and QR. It's a locus equidistance from PQ and QR. Then he said that equidistance is also equidistance from Q and R. Where is Q and R? It's also equidistance from Q and R. Q and R. So in this case, we are still going to construct at Q and R. This is Q and this is R. At Q and R, you have to construct an arc. Open the compass to any length again. At Q, this is Q. Construct any length and arc. Let's construct an arc like this. Then from this end again, construct another arc. At R, because we're talking of Q and R, at R, construct another arc so that the two of them, you see this one, this is shorter, so that the two of them will still meet the first one that we have constructed. This is this, and this is this. If it's not up to it, then you have to reconstruct this in such a way that you have something like this. They have to meet. The two of them must meet somewhere. So where they meet, you see that we are constructing an equidistance of Q and R. We are constructing an equidistance of Q and R. Then you draw your something like this. See. So at this point where the equidistance of Q and R is meeting the equidistance of PQ, QR is this. So this point is our point X that we are asked to locate. That is point X that we are asked to locate, and that brings us to the end of the question here. That brings us to this question. Then we have to measure. Okay, it's not stated in the question. We have to measure XR. We have to measure. Question C. We have to measure. You have to measure XR. We have to measure XR. We have to measure XR. Here's our XR. This is X. This is our point X. And here's our R. This is our R. So we measure it from here. We measure the line from this X to this place. So that will be around 4 points. I've got 4.9 here. So meaning that our XR will be equal to 4.9 centimeter, and that is the end of what we have to prove here. So that's the end of what we have to construct here. So you can now see that whenever you are constructing, you have to follow the instruction given to us. Once you follow the instruction, you find the construction very easy to do. This does not involve calculation. It does not involve using a four-figure table, but it involves what? The use of brain. So it's use of your brain to solve a problem. Now, let's look into another question. Alright, we have another one, which is this question 2013. Yeah, 2013. Question number 9A. The question says using ruler and a pair of compass, a pair of compass only, a pair of compasses only, we are to construct this is not functional, sorry. Using, we are to construct one, a trapezium WXYZ such that this is equals to 10.2 centimeter, XY equals to 5.6 centimeter, and YZ equals to 5.8 centimeter. Then angle WXY equals to 60 degree, and WX is parallel to YZ. It's parallel to YZ. Then that is, we have to construct a perpendicular, construct a perpendicular from Z to meet WX at N. Then B, we are to measure this. We have to measure this one. So this is what we have to do now. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, construct a trapezium. This time around, we have to construct a trapezium WXYZ such that WX is 10.2 centimeter, WX is 10.2 centimeter, XY is 5.6 centimeter, YZ is 5.8 centimeter, and WXY is 60 degree. Then, and WX is parallel to WS is parallel to what? WX is parallel to YZ. Okay, then you are also got to construct a perpendicular from Z to meet WS to meet WX at N. A perpendicular from Z to meet WN at N. Then what next? Measure Z. Okay, now this is a construction again. What you need most is that you need to identify how the shapes look like. You know what I mean by shapes? How does a triangle look like? You know how does a triangle look like? So whenever you have to construct a triangle, you picture that a triangle have this type of shape, so that when you are constructing, it must look exactly like a triangle. If it is rectangle, you know how a rectangle look like, so that when you are constructing, you know that you are constructing something similar to a rectangle. This time around, we have to construct a trapezium. The first thing that will come to your mind is that how does a trapezium look like? So that will guide you on what to do. How does a trapezium look like? A trapezium is just like this, maybe something like this, and you have your trapezium. So we say this. So if you select this one as your trapezium, you can say this is our WX, which must be 10.2 centimeter. Okay, and we say XY is a 5.6 centimeter. Y, this is our y. Y is z. Y z is a 5.8 centimeter, and WXY, this angle must be 60 degrees. So this will serve as a guide to what we want to do. This one will serve as a guide to what we are to do at this particular time. In this aspect, we want to construct a trapezium. You have seen how a trapezium looks like. So we need to construct what? WX first. WX first. WX first. WX first. So, what is our W? You take your compass, open your compass to 10.2. Open your compass to 10.2. Always remember that you must tight your compass very well. It must not be slacking. So make sure that you tight it very well. Open this one to 10.2 on the ruler. We open it to 10.2. 10.2. Open it to 10.2. Our 10.2 will be somewhere like something like this. When you open to 10.2, then take a point on the straight line. Take a point on the straight line and mark an arc. Come back again here. Come back again here and mark another arc. When you mark it like that, you have, this is your W, and this is X. This is a 10.2 centimeter. Okay? We want to construct 60 degree. We want to construct 60 degree. You want to construct 60 degree. Now, when you construct 60 degree, when you want to construct 60 degree, I've told you, we have to construct a semicircle. We have to construct a semicircle, and the thing will be like this. Alright. It will be like this. Okay? With the same thing here, we mark and that. Then, now after getting this, we say this is 60 degree. Here's our 60 degree. You take, therefore, draw our 60 degree just like this. To this tip, mark 60 degree to any length. This is our 60 degree. So this is our 60 degree according to our diagram here. Now, the next thing is we need to mark here 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. And we are going to what? 5.6. This one to be 5.6 centimeter to Y. So we are to open our compass again to 5.6. We have to open our compass again to 5.6. When you open your compass, the tip must be at 5.6. This is it. Then 5.6. This is 50. 5.6 will be somewhere here. So you open the compass to 5.6 and put the tip here, mark an arc, and that one represent our 5.6. So this is where our 5.6 meet. Then this point represents the point of Y. Then the next thing is to mark 5.8. We have been told that 5.8 would go to Z, and Z is what? The question here says WS is parallel to YZ. So when you get to Y, you need to draw a straight line from here. Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line from here just to any length. Draw it to any length. Okay? Then once you draw a straight line, because we have been told that Y, the one we want to draw now, must be parallel to WX, you are to measure 5.8. Measure 5.8 from your ruler. Take your compass, open this place to 5.8. Open to 5.8. By the time you open to 5.8, you use it to mark an arc, just like that. So when you mark an arc, it means the distance from this place to Y is 5.8. This point now will be point what? Point Z. This is point Z. Okay? So what is the next thing? After that, you go to question A, you have to consult the perpendiculars from the Z. This is Z. To meet WX at N. It means we have to open the compass again. Open our compass again. Open our compass again. And then let us construct a perpendicular. If you want to construct a perpendicular from X, we'll do it this way. We'll try to open the compass, and then want to construct the perpendicular. We'll draw this is shape. Then draw it this way. Draw it this way. Okay. Right. Okay. Now from here, you join this one. Make an arc, and then make another arc here. Make another arc here. Make another arc. So when we make another arc, you have to join this one together. Okay, this is what? A perpendicular to Z. So Z, it will meet WX at N. So this is WX. This is the line passing to WX. At this particular point is the meeting point called point N. This is our point N. This is point N of everything. That is how the structure will look like. After that, we have to measure WX. We have to measure WX. So we now say WZ will be equals to what? Take your ruler and measure from X to W. Where is W? So we measure from X to W, and that gives us around that gives us around 5 centimeters. It gives us around 5 centimeters. So that is what you are asked to measure from this point. You can now see clearly that the construction work is very interesting if you follow through what you are asked to construct. And this brings us to the end of 2013 question number 9 in construction work.